Hello everyone, Hatimali for Objection back again with the news, and with 2018, and Happy New Year for everyone, and wish for everyone the happiness and a lot of money in this new year, not like 2017 was full of shitness. Anyway, today we're gonna talk about Oral-B Pro Expert. This is an electric brush from Oral-B. As you know, you guys, that she make nation with Braun, and they start to create electric brushes. Which is mean they are both together. Actually, I was have Colgate before and didn't stay with me 1 week. The water enter from here and the battery screw up after 1 week and it doesn't work anymore. Even the brush, the hair here fucked up from my teeth. I mean, I don't have horse teeth, guys. I have human being here teeth, so I don't know why it's fucked up after 1 week using. They say that this one a professional brush. Actually, I bought it with almost like $30. This one, they say that you clean teeth, you know, tooth by tooth, you got me, when you clean your teeth to get the nice result. So let's unbox this bad boy and let me explain for you a couple of things. Hi. Okay, listen guys, see, we have two batteries Duracell with her. Oh, they write here made in China, but I know Duracell alkaline batteries. But I know Duracell is American. I always have Duracell batteries, they was made in USA. Anyway, let's see here. Replace the battery here. We will talk about this later. It's Germany actually. Okay. Oh, it's have also catalog here. Okay, we know everything before we open. Let's open it. Oral-B Braun. Yeah, as I tell you guys. Here the button for turning on. And yeah, this head is removable, which is mean after it will expire, you can go buy another piece. See here, this one. See this head, you can bought it extra. You got me. Let's put the battery here. They write made in China. Weird. Guys, focus with me on this. Here they write made in China. Hishu Inu China. Okay, and here they write Frankfurt Street, Germany. I can't understand what the Braun Bart in Germany and Oral-B Bart in China. Anyway, let's see. Let's see how it's work, and we'll tell you it's really better than Colgate, or is the same, or how is she cleaning teeth, or. So you press here and you press here like this, and the cover out. We will see here. Put battery which way? I don't know, or maybe they are both in the same direction. They draw here. Yeah, one this way and one this way. Okay, and we put the cover back. Okay, I guess now we close it well. This head here moving because she's moving like this circle way. See? Oh, she's just shaking like this. You got me? Like this. Half circle here, half circle right, half circle left. See? Okay, I don't have to say something, guys. As the brush looks nice quality. Okay, and here made from gum, and you know, easy to hold her and brush like this way, and brush like this way, brush like this way. Okay, it looks nice material and looks gum, and looks like that water cannot enter. You know, so. It cannot pass through the cover here. In my old Colgate that I was already posted the video, water pass from here after 1 week using. I mean, what 1 week? Third day I use her, it didn't work anymore. So this looks better quality, little bit. Actually, not little bit, looks better quality. Edge stand. Wow. We fuck her before we start to work with her. Okay, Anyway, guys, this is my view about the Oral-B. Actually looks nice quality, and looks nice shape, and this one is really soft here. I feel better to use it in my teeth. Looks really soft, see. I like it. If you have anything, just write for me in the comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up or put thumbs down as you wish. And tell me, I will tell you my opinion after 1 week. It's still work nice or it's not work. And if you write me a comment, I will answer you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in another video with Hatem Ali for objection. Peace.